Could the relentless march of artificial intelligence lead to a world where machines rule the workplace? A chilling question indeed. Yet, as the dawn of artificial intelligence reshapes our world, such queries are becoming increasingly pertinent. As we delve into this complex issue, it's important to consider the nuanced perspectives on both sides of the debate. On one hand, proponents of AI posit that it has the potential to revolutionize the job market by automating repetitive tasks, thus freeing up humans to engage in more complex, creative, and fulfilling work. They envision a future where AI technologies not only increase productivity and efficiency, but also create new industries and job opportunities that we can scarcely imagine today. Consider, for instance, the rise of data analysis. This field barely existed 20 years ago, yet today it's a burgeoning industry, all thanks to the advent of AI. In this light, AI isn't a job killer, rather it's a catalyst for job creation, a tool that can open up new avenues for human endeavor and innovation. However, the coin does have another side. Critics argue that the rapid and unbridled expansion of AI could lead to significant job displacement, as machines become capable of performing tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. In this scenario, a vast swath of the workforce could find themselves outpaced and outmoded, replaced by lines of code and unfeeling algorithms. Moreover, there's a moral dimension to this debate. Is it ethically justifiable to automate jobs on a large scale, potentially leaving millions unemployed in the process? Critics argue that the social and economic costs of such a move could far outweigh any potential benefits, leading to increased inequality and social unrest. In essence, the AI and employment debate boils down to a balancing act. It's about harnessing the potential of AI to drive innovation and growth, while also mitigating its potential to displace jobs and exacerbate social inequalities. In conclusion, the impact of AI on employment is a multifaceted issue, with compelling arguments on both sides. On one hand, the potential for increased efficiency and the creation of new industries is undeniable. Yet on the other hand, the risk of job displacement and the ethical implications of automation cannot be ignored. As we navigate this brave new world, it's crucial to strike a balance, ensuring that the rise of AI benefits all, rather than a select few. Now, thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.